just stay focused. You're a child of the king.
Hi, good morning. I'm Geraldine Santos Magpali from Jayco Gold Realty. Nung bata pa lang ako, danas ko na ang hirap sa buhay. Nakatira lang kami sa tabi ng ilog at kung kumain kami isang beses lang sa isang araw. Hiwalay din ang aking mga magulang. Sa edad na 14 anyos, nagtrabaho na ako bilang isang yaya at tagahugas ng plato. Marami pa akong pinasukan na trabaho. Nag-OFW ako dahil sabi nila, pag nag-OFW ka, is malaki daw kikitain mo. Pero fail pa rin ako. Hanggang sa nag-asawa na ako, nagkaroon ako ng 3 anak. At sa pamamagitan ng tricycle, doon kami nabubuhay. Nagtatawag ako ng pasahero para matulungan yung asawa.
Pag gumiling ka talaga, meron sa'yo ibibigay na instrumento ang Panginoon. Way back 2019, meron akong nakitang isang post na we are hiring, you can earn 30 to 50K. Then, nag-how lang ako sa post niya. So, dito lahat nagsimula sa Urban Deca Homes. So, napasok ako sa company ng Jayco Gold. Dito, nabigyan ako ng napakagandang opportunity. Dito, naging team leader ako, naging sales manager, hanggang sa sales director na ako ngayon at Jayco Gold. At unti-unti ko nang naabot ang aking mga pangarap.
You can be anything that you want, don't sleep.
Yeah, you can do it. You gon' get right through it. Just don't ever doubt yourself. Prove them wrong. Cause life goes on. All the haters, they gon' start to love you. You can't do what? You gon' get right through it. Please don't ever doubt yourself. Prove them wrong. Cause life goes on. All the haters, they gon' start to love you.
King, you can never be hopeless. I see your future looking bright like the stars at night. You can be what you want, just give it to Christ. If it's in His will, you can grab it off of the tree. We bear good fruit, baby girl, listen to me. I'll be right there, you can always count on me. You was created in His image, so that's bigger than me. I know life will take you places I can't go. The apple of His eye